Let's take a look at the way that you use Chatgpt for essay writing. If you need help writing essays faster and better, Chatgpt can be a great tool for brainstorming, outlining, or polishing your essay ideas. The first thing that you can do in order to start writing essays is to brainstorm different topics. For example, climate change. Secondly, what you can do is create different outlines so that it is easier for you to write your essay. Now, for example, if this is your topic and you want an outline of this particular essay, you can give in a simple prompt like this. Gonna exactly outline what you could write or what subtopics can you possibly write on this major topic. This way, you don't need to think much about what to write for the heading, the body, as well as conclusions. Now, once you take a look at the outline and if you think the outline is ready, you can use Chatgpt as well to create a complete draft. Now, for the draft, you can write in simple prompt like this. What I would suggest is not to draft the entire essay all at once. You can divide it into sections such as introduction, body, and conclusion. This way, Chatgpt can give a detailed and precise answer to any questions that you may ask. Lastly, once your draft now has been ready, you can also ask it to check your grammar or even improve the draft even more. So by using or following these steps, you can easily use Chatgpt to create a full essay on whatever topic you may be thinking of. So that was the video about the way that you use Chatgpt for essay writing. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.